Many wild things to be found here in Snowborough Park. Notice the sign in the back. This small area is more threatening than you might think. There are many wild beasts that lurk around in this general area. One of those beasts are the pair of scissors. They are very threatening to use when using construction paper. But even when that's the case, I would not recommend running with them. But that's not the point here. The point is, on this episode of Panda Fry's Wild World, we are going to be talking about the wild Spensr, which is a very native species to the Snowborough Park. Let us skip to the introduction. I am Panda Fries, and this is my wild world. Here we find a wild Spensr in his natural habitat, getting ready for the morning. He spotted us. We must go! For us, we've come in on a lucky time. The wild Spensr attempts to make pancakes. Such a majestic nature. Oh, he spotted us! Here we have the wild Spensr, getting ready for his daily outings. There he is with his umbrella, getting ready for his daily stroll. Oh, he spotted us! Here we find the wild Spensr committing his mating transportation on what civilized people call Match.com.
LOL, I like that too.
He spotted us! Oh my! We find Spensr in one of the most natural senses of life, the feeding. It's time for dinner, and Spensr must eat. It's no time for distractions. He must eat the cat. The cat tries to escape, but Spensr cannot get him. The wild cat is... Oh, he spotted us! Oh, no, he spotted us too! Oh, no, he's spotting us again! Oh my, this is an awful situation. Now find Spensr doing another one of nature's courses, going to the bathroom. He seems to be getting out. We must run. Oh my! He's wanted us again! Oh my! Ow!
Oh god.
Oh.
Wait, are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm fine.
Need help?
Yeah, thanks.
Right.
Thanks, I've got it all under control.
Okay.
I can get up, alright. Alright, I'm okay now.
Alright.
Oh my! It is yet another feeding hour for the wild Spensr. Although this process is way too dangerous, I cannot be present. So we set up a series of security cameras to see how it works.
Sean!
What?
Make me some SpaghettiOs!
I won't make you any SpaghettiOs. Spensr, I'm not gonna make your own SpaghettiOs.
No! Make me some SpaghettiOs!
I'm not gonna make you any SpaghettiOs. footage of the wild Spensr. He seems to be playing with a tree. Let us look up on it right now. Watch his majestic nature. But then we fade over to reveal a zombie. In order to defend himself from the wild zombie, he must transform into Super Saiyan Spensr. In order to defend himself, he will use his most famous attack, the RMHT.
What the?
Now that Spensr has defeated the zombie, he does his famous manly victory dance. Oh no! He spotted us! Oh my! Oh my! How have my feet changed the shoes? That's impossible! Hibernation season is approaching. The wild Spensr gets ready for his season's nap. Spensr, I made cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah, cookies. And that concludes our adventure on the wild Spensr. I hope you enjoyed our special and have a nice evening.
And cut.
Thanks. Thank God. Where's my cookie latte? I am firing my laser.